You've got to trust your gut how much you want to push. There's a lot of other sales coaches that will tell you to say something like, come on, your wife knew you were here, right? Or you've got to make some decisions for the kids. I'm not a fan of any of that. And maybe it's just I'm not the luckiest person in the world. But when I push, or if there's any semblance of, like my Boston mother used to say, she was genius. Matthew, the implication of impropriety is the same as impropriety. You hang out with Dodge Meadows who steals car stereos, the cops are going to think you steal car stereos, right? So don't hang around. Don't like use the words of people that are being manipulative. But if you're really good at that and it's working, by all means do it. I'm the kid that if I was holding a screwdriver next to Dodge Meadows, I'd get arrested for stealing car stereos. So I just chose not to do that. I choose not to do all of those sales coaching maneuvers of like, well, come on, your wife knew you were here. Can't you make decisions about the kids? So I always say, you know, hey, does it make sense to get the kids enrolled? Well, I need to talk to my wife. Totally get it. Makes perfect sense. What's a good next step? Right? And then I leave it in their court. Well, I'm going to talk to her. I'll probably talk to her tonight. Awesome. Hey, would you mind, and it'll take me a couple minutes, and I got to teach a class here in a little bit. I'll have it over to you in an hour. I really want to see the kids on board here. I would really love to see you at the academy. Can I just write up a real quick summary? I'll shoot it over to you via email of our conversation that we've had today around current situation with your goals and wanting to get fit, wanting to be confident, wanting to make some new friends, next steps, and getting your membership started, and just kind of those outline everything that you have here so that when you're talking to your spouse this evening about enrolling the kids or about enrolling yourself, whatever it is, you'll kind of have a framework for what we discussed. Yeah, that would be great. Cool. Give me like 30 minutes to write that up. Okay, by the way, for you, Derek, nobody else is writing that up. Sucks, but you're going to have a template, maybe 5 templates, maybe 2 templates at the very least, a kid's template and an individual template. Then you're just going to plug in on the capabilities needed or what's needed. You're not going to say capabilities, but what's needed, right? You're going to just plug in fitness, confidence, whatever their things were. Then you're going to send them that email, okay? And then by you saying, what's a good next step? And they're like, oh, I'm going to talk to them. Perfect. How about I give a summary and then watch how I can do this. And then I'll give you a call. Pick something reasonable, right? They got to talk to their wife tonight. I'll give you a call tomorrow by lunch if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Yeah. Hey, and along those same lines on that email, I've been having some issues with my email lately. What's the best number for me to text you after I send that email just to let you know I sent the email so you're not waiting around for it and it's in some sort of spam folder? I want to make sure that I have their mobile number. Okay, then I'm going to write the email. I'm going to use the template. I'm going to send the email. Current situation. What's needed in your membership. We want confidence. We want to make new friends. We want to get fit. All that good stuff, right? Next steps. It's simple to start your membership. Here's the link. Okay, and then as soon as I hit send on that email, I'm texting him and going, hey, Bob, as promised, I just hit send, I just hit send, and I put it in quotations on the email we discussed. Could you text me and I always do thumbs up emoji if you see it in your inbox, and then I put, as promised, I'll call you tomorrow if I haven't heard from you before then. Derek, strike zone, or whatever I'm putting your website down. Now, okay, there's a huge benefit to this. Was it a tremendous amount of your time? Sort of. It's going to be about 15 minutes a student because you're using a template. Now, I'm giving them something. I'm arming them when they have that conversation. Here's the other thing. I'm making it real hard to break up with me, right? Because I'm that person. I might not be the best looking, but I know they love freaking boysenberry pie, and I baked them a boysenberry pie. I know they hate country and western music and love old school rap, and I just so happen to have 2 tickets to Slick Rick. And you know what I mean? It's like now by that email, I'm showing how much I'm in alignment, right? And I'm putting myself in the best position if that other decision maker is, we don't want to do it, but I need this stuff. All right, go ahead. And then it ends up, if you want to do it, go ahead and do it. And at the end of the day, if they don't want to do it, it positions you with the net outcome statement of, man, I talked to my wife, we just don't have the money with it, with soccer and everything. I totally understand. I totally get it. I will be here when you need an outlet for all the kids where they can all do something to where you don't have the one superstar in soccer and everybody's confidence and everybody's getting fit. Fair enough? Right? And it's like, it's all in your email. Now you can check back with them, right? In, I don't know, 20 days. Hey, got an idea. We're having our ninja night. Would love to have all the kids by ninja night. Right? Bring them by. It's just sustainable. You're doing it sustainable. So what I would do is not push. I would ask them When they say I need to check with my wife, I'm still going to say, what's a good next step? Make them tell me, I'm going to check with my wife tonight. They'll give me more information. Then I'm going to say, I totally get it. I totally understand. How about we do this? I'll shoot you over an email with my understanding of your current situation, what you need in your martial arts training, make the next steps. I'll lay those out pretty simple. That way you've got something organized. And then I'll call you, I don't know, Derek, I'll call you tomorrow 11 if I haven't. I'll call you tomorrow by lunch if I haven't heard from you before then. Fair enough? Right? And boom, I'm just making it. And then you're going to do that and you're going to get more closes. Is everybody going to sign up? No. And to be honest, you don't want the people where it's that much, grinding of the gears to get them in, because they're going to be the first ones that cancel. So I don't know, give that a try. Great question.
Thank you so much.
I love you. If you work in sales and you're serious about your career, I'm going to give you $300 right here, right now, to close more deals. Did we just become best friends? I think so. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching system in the world. One little tiny piece of that sales coaching system is our mini masterclass on closing. It's $300. But I'm gonna cover the cost for you right now. I've set some money aside out of our marketing budget. If you click the link here, I will text you a code where you can go and grab the mini masterclass on closing. I'm gonna cover all of the cost for you. You pay nothing. There's no commitment on your end. My hope is that you close so much more business, you come and join us over at Easton University, but that choice is yours. If you wanna double, triple, quadruple your closing, right now, click the link. I will text you a code to get the Easton University mini masterclass on closing right here, right now, and I'm gonna cover all the cost for you. Click the link. I'll see you on the other side.